Welcome back to Visit Up Shri. I'm Sri Lakshmi. As I said you in my previous video, I'll be going to discuss with the examination study plan because boards are very near. So you have hardly 15 days, so I'm giving you the 15 days of study plan. You have to follow every day, only then you can write your examination and score out of what. If you practice it, out of what is guaranteed. If you don't practice, I can't help with this. Anyway, morning session is for 2 to 3 hours. Early in the morning, 4 o'clock, you have to wake up. Hook or crook, 4 o'clock, you have to start studying. If not 4 o'clock, at least if you wake up in the 4 o'clock, give a half an hour, 20 minutes. 20 minutes, cut down to 15 minutes. Complete your personal things and come back and sit. Start studying on your tough or difficult subjects or topics, whatever it is, pick it up. Pick it up the difficult subject, difficult topic, and then start studying with your topics and have a clarity in your concept. Understand, try to understand the topic. When you understand, it will be very easy. Okay, in case if you understand, also if you are not able to memorize it, the other thing is write and practice. First time you will write, second time you will write, third time you will write, fourth time you will write, fifth time it will be memorized for you. And you, if you understand and if you read and write, while you are, whenever you are writing, read and write, read loudly. So when you read loudly, it will be able to hear to your ear only. At that time, when you hear your voice and you what you are reading, it will be memorized here. So that the morning time is very best because your brain will be very active and it can grasp the memory easily. So morning time is the best. So in the morning session, you will be choosing difficult topic and you will be working on that. How? Write and practice. Not only difficult, easy also. Session is afternoon session. So afternoon session, it is practice more because you will be sleepy. So what you do is practice your previous year question paper. Pick up all the subjects question paper, previous year question papers, and start solving it. How much you will solve your previous year question papers of the subjects, that much you will be perfect with your concept and you will be knowing what questions they would ask on. If they having, if you can compare with the previous year's question paper with other previous years. So if you do take, this is 2026, so 2025 question paper to 2024 question paper and 2023 question paper, you can compare with all the three. Somewhere it will come, there will be lot many questions will be, more many questions will be like, repeated questions, so you can solve it. How much you will solve the question papers, that much you will be perfect with any of the concepts they are. Okay, and practice the account subjects. Commerce students, practice accounts and statistics a lot in this afternoon period, because you will be out of sleep when you start practicing and solving your problems and all. Okay, and time bound writing, important question. This is time bound writing is very important. Okay, so you will be starting set up a time and you will solve the question paper without seeing, and you can see at within how many hour I can solve this whole question paper. So that is also a practice where you can. So next is evening session. Evening session is for 2 hours, wherein you will be focusing on your revision. 1 to 2 chapter. Pick any subjects 1 to 2 chapter and start revising it. You'll be revising both the chapters and you'll be noting down the important topics of the particular chapters. Okay, study theory based subjects only in the evening. You can pick the theory based subject, because in the morning and in the afternoon we will be solving the practicals and most difficult topics and subjects. So choose the theory based subject and start reading with the first and second chapter and third and fourth, like that. Continue first 2 chapters and next second 2 chapters, like that you start studying. And what do I say is, keep a paper next to you, make a note of the formulas, short points where you can memorize it. If you see, so now let's take it as a planning process. What is the process of planning? What is the process of organization? If we note down for 8 marks or 12 marks questions and all, if we note down the points, we can easily write. If we remember the points, see, another thing is, if there is a question for 12 marks, first write the meaning of this organization. Next you will write the points. What are the points of the organization? Then you will explain, picking up one point, and you will write the explanation for that. that when you do that, at least if you lose the marks while writing the explanation, you will get a marks for this meaning. And when you list out the top points or topics, whatever is contained in that. Okay, so choose in the evening session easy subjects, and it's for 2 hours.